Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing my latest in beauty box. I'm going to try and make this video nice and quick because Mary is on a walk with John and you just don't know when they're going to get back. So I'm just going to dive right in and yeah, show you my contents. I did of course pick everything myself because the beauty of Latest in Beauty is the fact that it's a beauty box but you pick your own contents, which I really love because it's like zero waste, everything I want, and also it's really good value of money, so I'm all in. It's my favourite beauty box, I'm gonna be honest. There are a lot of good beauty boxes out there, but Latest in Beauty, they have my heart. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what's inside because I think it's really good, but of course I would. I picked it all myself. So yeah, let's dive in. The first item I have is by Origins, which I'm super excited about. This is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. I don't think I've ever used this before. I love Origins, I love their products, and I love anything which is like soothing, hydrating for sensitive skin. I have very dry and sensitive skin, so I'm really excited about this. I don't know, I'm just looking forward to like putting it on my skin and seeing miracles happen and it just being comfortable and soothing and all that loveliness. Also, this is a full-size product. It's 100 ml and I did look it up online just a minute ago just because I was like, this has got to be a pretty penny. Do you know what I mean? This is not a cheap product. This is actually £20 to buy alone, and considering the box of everything is less than that, I'm just saying, bang for your buck with Latest in Beauty. Love what they do. So that is my first item. This is the Hall of Fame item for the month. Hello Origins, hello £20. Hello big saving. Anyway, next item is by Dr. Organic. Now I'm just gonna pre-warn you, there is a lot of Dr. Organic in my box this month because they had a lot of Dr. Organic products and I love Dr. Organic products, so I was like, I'm just gonna pick them all. So this is the Aloe Vera Body Wash. It is again full size. I think it's around 250 ml, which is correct. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's quite limey. Oh, it's good. It's really fresh and lovely. But yeah, I love their products. Organic, really natural, just so lovely. So that is my next item. Oh yes, Manuka Honey Face Mask. Love Manuka, love a face mask, and I was like, I want this. This is again organic and natural for all skin types. It's to restore and refine. So that is my next item. Again, full size, 125 ml. Super happy with that. I'm just putting it out there. Latest in Beauty, never ever ever disappoint. I've been getting their boxes for about 4 years now, and I've never ever ever been disappointed. Like every single one is a banger. Anyway, next item is the Coconut Oil Day Cream. This is for dry skin, so I was obviously all in. Again, it's a full-size product. I feel like I'm being so boring because like I'm just like, it's full size, but it's true, it is all full size. This is 50 ml, so that is a really nice generous tub, and I have actually run out of face cream, so I'm looking forward to this because I keep having to sneak into my boyfriend's little wash bag and like use his face cream, so I'm excited to have my own again. Anyway, next item is again Dr. Organic. I did warn you that there was going to be a lot of Dr. Organic in this box, and I was not joking. This is the Ageless Overnight Recovery Oil with seaweed. It's to smooth and plump. I mean, I'm all in, you know, I'm all in. Again, full size. I know I keep saying it. I know I sound like a broken record, but it's full size and it's a really good full size. What is this? 30 ml. Wowza, I assumed it would be a 15 ml face oil because that's what a lot of face oils are. That's amazing. Should I give it a smell? So should I see what it smells like? Oh, it doesn't smell like overpowering. It's quite subtle, it's quite fresh, and a little bit coastally, a little bit green, in a good way. I'm into it. So I'm really excited about this. Oh my God, I'm literally gonna be like covered in Dr. Organic tonight. I'm gonna put it on straight away. I'm not waiting around. Okay, and then the next item, which I think is the last item, is the Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo. I have used this before. I really, really like it. Again, it's for dry and damaged hair, which is what I have. I'm just like a dry, damaged person. So like all my skincare and hair care is like for dry, damaged people. Anyway, this is for dry, damaged hair. Again, full size. There wasn't a conditioner, which is my only criticism for this month. Although I'm not sure what I would have gotten rid of to get the conditioner. I don't know. You know, when you're like, I wanted everything. I wouldn't have wanted to put back the face cream. I wouldn't have wanted to put back the face oil. I don't know. So even if there had have been a conditioner, I would have been a bit like, oh, but what do I put back? I don't know. But anyway, there was no conditioner to go with it, but whatever. I'll use a different conditioner. You know, it's all fine. But yeah, full size, Dr. Organic, very excited. And let's give it a smell, you know, just for funsies. Ooh, it smells very clean. It's quite like, not eucalyptus, tea tree-esque. There's something in it which smells very clean, botanically clean. I like it a lot. It's almost like a little bit like mentholy, birch woody, eucalyptusy loveliness. I'm into it. I am into it. So that is my next item, and that is my last item. That is my 6 items. It was, God, what is it? It's like £14.95, I think, is a latest in beauty box. They're really, really good value. Like I said, Origins is the price of the box and some. And then we've got all the Dr. Organic. These are not cheap products. You get them predominantly at Holland. Oh my God, I'm like throwing them around. You get them predominantly at Holland and Barrett. So they're kind of like quite mid-range. They're definitely not cheap, but they're definitely not like super expensive. They're just like fairly priced for really great products. I really like their products. I think they're lovely. So yeah, I went hardcore this month. I got 5 Dr. Organic products, which I wouldn't normally do. Like whenever they do like a good amount of one brand, I normally get 1 or 2 pieces, but it's quite rare that I'm like, I'm all in with a brand. But this month I was like, I'm all in. I've got 5 Dr. Organic pieces and 1 Origins. Like, what a win. This box is probably worth like 70 quid. I'm just saying, it is a bargain. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye. Sorry, I feel like I'm like rushing this so hard. But you know, when you're like, any minute Mary could come home and I will have to stop filming. So that is me. Okay, see you, bye.